Hello, and welcome to day 13 of SQL Made Simple. Earlier, when we learned about count, min, max, and average, and not forgetting the sum, I told you we could combine multiple aggregate functions in one query. Today, we'll make that promise a reality using the resource from bit.ly SQL Made Simple, and we'll be using our SalesDB aggregate database, focusing on the orders table. So by the end of this session, you'll be able to use multiple aggregates in a single query, summarize business insights like order count, totals, averages, and extremes, group results by product or customers for meaningful report. So let's take a look at our data set, which contains these various fields. So we have order ID, we have customer name, we've got product, we've got quantity, price per unit, and the final field, which is the order date. So let's start combining aggregate on these fields. And now will be the best time for you to switch to your server. So I'm going to do that in a bit. Okay. For example, one, this is what we will be looking at. Overall sales summary. Okay. And this is our database from SalesDB aggregate where we are selecting from the orders table. So this is a preview of that. So if you want the overall summary, then we're going to select from, we know you're selecting from our orders. So what are we selecting? So we are using our aggregate function count. So we want to count our total orders. Count star as total orders. So that's done. We're going to sum, which is the quantity field, multiplying the price per unit as our total sales value. Yeah. Then let's look for the average. So our average, which will be the same quantity multiplying the price per unit as average order value. Then we will do the minimum, which is quantity multiplying the price per unit is smallest order. Then the max, which is quantity multiplying price per unit as largest order. So let's run this to see what this single query would answer. So execute. So now it's telling us how many orders were placed, which is 10. Our total sales value is 7,200 cities, and our average order value is 1,028.571428. Our smallest order is 450 cities, and our largest order is 2,000. Now I want us to go beyond that, and let's check per the product. So these values that we have, yes, it gives us a snapshot, but let's drill deeper by grouping it by the product. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, performance check by product, performance check by product. So we're going to still take this same statement, come down, paste. So if it's by a product, then I want to have my product at the top. Then we finally group by product. Now Let's see. Good. So now it tells that, okay, Bluetooth speakers, the total orders is two, laptop is three, smartphone is two, tablet is two. But for tablet, we have some missing values for that. So Bluetooth, total sales values, average, smallest order, largest order. So I believe this is making sense now. Okay, now we can also do a breakdown per customer. Okay, so breaking it down, break down by customers. So I'm going to change this. I'll copy, come down, paste it. So instead of product, I'll say customer name, customer name. Okay, now once I have my customer name, then I will need to group by customer name. Okay, we group by customer name. Okay, but before we do that, let's take a look at our data set. Execute. So we do have a null value for a customer name. So we don't want that to appear in our result. So what we do is from orders, then we say where, okay, customer name is not null. That's it. Where this is not null. That's it. So this is what we get for that. Well done. And I will encourage you to keep practicing. So let's quickly take a look at our workplace tip. When you use multiple aggregate together, you create dashboards inside your SQL queries. This is exactly the type of summary managers and executives want to see. So today we've taken the steps from single aggregate to combined reports, a real power move in SQL. Next time, we will focus on making these results more professional using aliases and formatting techniques. Remember, SQL is not just about querying, it's about turning raw data into clear insight. See you in the next lesson. Blessings. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with anyone who is learning SQL. Thank you.